We're going to be looking at a high today that's going to be closer to average. We'll be right around the mid-80s. That's where we should be for this time of year, low to mid-80s. Tomorrow, it's a different story. Same story on Wednesday. We're going to see another hot air mass roll in. I don't think it's going to get quite as bad as it was last week. Having said that, though, we're still in the low to mid-90s as we get on into the next couple of days. Looks like our dew points won't be quite as high, though. And back on Tuesday last week, we actually had a heat index value of 115. If I'm not mistaken, I believe that's the third highest heat index ever recorded out of the John Glenn International Airport. And no, it makes the top 5. Bottom line is I don't see that coming. Having said that, though, it's still going to be dangerously hot out there. We'll be looking at heat index values. It'll probably be approaching about 100 to 105 as we hit both Tuesday and Wednesday. So get ready for that. But let's enjoy today. You can see right now we have a couple of clouds out there that are rolling in, and these are coming with some moisture that's off to the north of us. Ooh, these almost look like Ospiratus clouds. Not quite, but they look very close. Those are my favorite clouds out there. But they are looking pretty cool out there as we look out at Buckeye Lake. Nice glassy water out there, too. And as we take a look at your temperatures, we have the mid-50s in Lancaster, 60 degrees in Columbus. Most of us, though, mid to upper 50s to right around 60. Outdoor workers, it's going to be warmer today than it was yesterday. We had a really nice air mass over the weekend, but if you got to work outdoors today, 62 at 8 o'clock. It's going to be a little muggier, but not terribly bad. 77 by lunchtime, 81 at 2. Your hour-by-hour forecast has us at 84 this afternoon for an eventual high. Again, little muggier than it was this time yesterday, but not terribly bad. The coolest day this week, though, let's break it down for you, will be today. Looks like our hottest day is going to be Wednesday. We're looking at the mid-90s on Wednesday, and the sunniest day should be on Friday. Wednesday is also looking like the wettest day because we have the chance for some showers, some storms into the afternoon, and some of those could be strong with damaging winds being the main threat. We are watching out for some rain up and to the north of us. Notice it's kind of breaking up a little bit. We've got a pretty dry air mass at the surface, but still, we're going to have the chance for a few showers getting on through the morning hours in the north, the northeast, even a few here in town, but you can kind of see how this is trending. Looks like it'll be the heaviest rain, rather, is just going to skirt off to the east of us, and this is not going to be an all-day washout. Some of this is going to evaporate before it gets to the surface because we are looking at some dry air at the surface, but we do have to watch out for a few stronger storms by the time we hit the middle of the week. On Wednesday afternoon, some showers, some storms will flare up, and we have a marginal risk for a few of those to have some damaging winds and some hail. And when we talk about marginal risk, if we had a 1 to 5 scale this for severe weather, this would be a 1, but still, we're going to keep our eye on this, so keep tuning back because we could get some updates that will kind of nudge us one way or the other. So we'll be checking on this throughout the next couple of days to make sure that you are weather aware. A little warmer out there today, though. We've got some passing clouds out there tonight. It is downright hot. Very, very soon, we're talking about the 90s on Tuesday and Wednesday. And then when we cool off a little bit on Thursday rather, and Friday, we're still going to be in the upper 80s, so still above average. 65, though, by 9 o'clock. We're talking about 77 at lunchtime. We're going to see sun and clouds throughout the morning, a little more sun into the afternoon with a high of 84 degrees, which is right in line with the average high for this time of year. And then tonight, very big cloudy, an average one out there tonight, too. 61 for the eventual low, light variable winds. Not a bad night at all. A hot one tomorrow, though. More sunshine into the afternoon. 93 is the high tomorrow. Again, our heat index values, though, are going to be approaching the triple digits. Hour by hour today, you can see, again, a little bit of rain off to the east and the northeast especially. I won't rule out a few showers in the mid to late morning here in town, though. And as we get on into the afternoon, you can see the clouds break up a little bit throughout the afternoon, and we'll get a little sunshine by day's end. And then as we head through the overnight, we are going to be clear to partly cloudy. We get on into the day tomorrow. Still looking pretty good. Not too bad out there tomorrow. But look what happens as we head on into Wednesday. We're going to see a few clouds flare up into the late morning, but into the afternoon, we start to see some showers and a few storms, especially as you get south of I-70. I won't rule out anything here in town. I do think the heaviest rain, though, looks like it'll be south of I-70 as we get on into Wednesday afternoon and into the evening. And that is also, too, the time frame where we could see a few stronger storms. Winds would be the main threat. Hail as well, but it looks like this could be a bit of a wind event. So we'll be keeping our eye on that. Again, keep tuning back because we'll have updates as we get closer to your Wednesday. But 84 today, though. Summer officially starts tomorrow, and yep, Mother Nature is taking notes. She knows that it's coming because we're back up to 93 degrees, 94 on Wednesday. Again, some late day showers and storms will be possible. Both of these days, we will see those heat index values peaking at around 100 to 105. Again, not quite as bad as it was last week, but still pretty hot. 87 on Thursday, 89 on Friday, back near 90, and then we're back into the 90s over the weekend, but we do have some sunshine on tap. You know, this is a pretty dry forecast, especially for this time of year. We're going to be getting hot, though, before you know it. It looks like late Sunday into early Monday, you can't rule out a shower, maybe a rumble of thunder. After that, we'll cool off into the low to mid 80s, which is pretty close to where we should be for this time of year.